Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about Colourpop, as you could see from the title of this. I'm not sure how well this is going to be received or not. I know Colourpop is a super popular brand and I know it's exploding and people just love it. I kind of have a bone to pick. I'm annoyed. I'm really annoyed. I have tried some Colourpop before this experience, but only a couple of items. So I did go in and buy, what did I buy? I bought 6 items, 3 of which I liked, 3 I didn't, and I'm gonna go over them all with you. Hopefully you will enjoy this video, and if you do, you will give me a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. I do have a giveaway going on right now. If you have not seen my giveaway video, you can watch that, and I'll put that in the cards right now so you can see how to enter. For all of you that have shown me so much love on that giveaway, thank you, thank you, thank you. It means more to me than you know. So yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I guess we'll start, let's get the negative out of the way, and then I'll tell you about the products that I did like, because let's be fair, there were some products that I did like, and hey, I bought 6 products, 3 I liked, 3 I didn't, 50-50. I guess that's, that's a fair ratio. I didn't really know exactly what I was purchasing, I guess, when I purchased it, and maybe part of that is my fault. I think it's definitely like a YouTube made me buy it kind of a situation, or Instagram, whatever, social media in general. I got an email that there was a new launch or something like that, and they were gonna give me, I don't know, there was some sort of a sale going on, so I was like, let's do it. I mean, the products are so affordable. All right, let's just get into it. We'll go from what I liked, not so much, to what I disliked the most. So I went ahead and I felt like this would be a pretty safe thing to get. This is the Kathleen Lights Where the Light Is Super Shock Shadow Collection. I kind of thought that I was going to be getting a palette. I'm gonna, you know what, I'll go ahead and I'll insert the pictures from what I was looking at on my app, and legitimately, I thought I was going to be getting some sort of a palette or something I could stick these shades in, but you open this up and I'm still thinking I'm going to be getting some sort of a palette. Well, no, that is not the case. They are just for Super Shock eyeshadows. Now, I am familiar with the Super Shock formula. I have one shade and it is the shade Bouncy, and I do really enjoy that. So I figured, you know what, cool, let's go ahead and take advantage of getting a quad and getting 4 for a discounted price, a better value, I should say. It does say that 2 of these Super Shocks are matte, 1 is ultra glitter and 1 is satin. I think I was thinking I was getting 2 of the multi-dimensional, my Bouncy shade. So my issue with this is I felt like it was a little bit weird, when I opened it up and they were singles. I already stated that, but I don't know. This, to me, this shade, that Blaze that they claim is multi-dimensional, to me, this just looks like a shimmer shadow, a foiled shimmer shadow. I don't see anything multi-dimensional about it. I'll swatch it for you. There's just nothing, there's nothing special about it. I just did a review on the Pure Creator palette, and those freaking shadows with some of the glitter in there, they were beautiful. I love, when you've got a super beautiful, sparkly, ultra refined glitter in a product, I think it is gorgeous, and that's kind of what I was expecting. And to me, I'm just kind of I think I must have this shade in at least 3 or 4 palettes, and I think that's the bottom line. I think with all of these, I'll go ahead and swatch them for you, there's just nothing unique about them. This is a very pretty shade. Now, this is the one that they call a satin. This is in the shade Kathleen Lights. I think this is probably the prettiest of all of them, but it's not something that I don't already own. I'm just not wowed. So that's that. Then we have, I think this is the one I'm the most mad at. This one is called Glow. Like this legit feels to me like an eyeshadow primer almost. Like I have it right here. Like it's, what's special about that? What's special? I don't know. Like I have that a million times. So then finally, this is the other matte. This one is Cornelius. It feels super soft, and I think that these formulas are definitely unique, like the Super Shock shadows in general, but the shades themselves, it's hard to tell online when you're looking at pictures, and you can't really tell what you're going to get. But we're gonna get into, that's really where I have my biggest issue. And I won't make, you know what, fine, I'll just get into it now. I obviously didn't have a super genius plan for this video. I just kind of wanted to get on here, and like, I'm just pissed. Like I'm super annoyed is what it is. Like I think Colourpop has been so built up in my mind, and I'm kind of shocked that I haven't heard about this, but Colourpop has a no refund policy, and I feel like they don't make that very clear up front. I think if at checkout it said final sale, blah, blah, blah. I did not see anywhere that Colourpop did not have a return policy. I'm just like, yo. I used to work in Sephora. I used to work in Nordstrom's. I used to work for Pure. Like I worked in retail, in cosmetics, and you would have people, myself included, that would go there looking for, you know, shadows or whatever, and it's like they have to see it on. I mean, there are just some times like you just cannot tell what you are getting, especially from a picture. Sometimes even just looking at it, the way that it looks in the pan or the tube, whatever the product may be, it is not accurate for how the product actually applies and looks on you. So that's my number one beef, is they don't accept returns. I didn't spend a fortune, thank God, but I was talking to a couple of my Instagram followers, and some of them live overseas and they pay a ton of money for shipping, and they kind of made that mistake their first go around. And that's why I'm just really surprised that I hadn't heard about this no return policy, no refunds, no nothing. So yeah, I don't know. Let's move on. This was a new item. This one was being sold for a discounted price. I believe it retails for $8 normally, and I got it for $6. Looking at it on the website, I'm gonna put it up so you can see it super clearly that this is the, according to the website, excuse me. Oh my God, I'm getting like really upset. It's the Super Shock highlighter, and it's in the shade Felicity, but it says Super Shock highlighter. So when I'm looking at the picture of it, to me it almost looks like this like beautiful, I don't see glitter in the picture, and I look at the swatches and I don't see glitter, and I don't see, they're calling it a pearl, and I don't know. To me, a pearl is different than a glitter. Looking at this, I did not think glitter. So when I open the package and I see this product that on the back, it's called Super Shock Cheek Glitter. And this is in the shade Felicity, like I said, but glitter. I honestly thought they had given me the wrong product. I just went in and I did this, and it's like, I don't know if you can see, but there's like crumbling glitter. Like, can you see this? There's crumbling glitter. Like, it's not, to me, I would never put this on as a highlight. Like, never. Ew, what is this? Oh my, like, look at this. I have glitter all over me now. Like, this makes me angry, because I feel like this is somewhat deceptive, and that's when I take issue. There's a no return policy. To me, that was not made clear at the point of purchase or anywhere on the website. In fact, when I went back to I assumed I could, you know, download a return form or something like that, and I was just trying to find information on returns. It took me a minute to find where the return policy even was. So yeah, like I'm salty. I'm not happy with Colourpop at the moment. This is their Supernova eyeshadow. This is a new shade, and this is called Now or Never. This makes me sad because I have recently gotten other products that are like it that are way better and perform way better, and my expectations were just really high. First of all, when you open it up, I'm hoping that you guys will be able to see this. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly, but there's barely any product on this applicator. As I was trying to apply it, I felt like it was just rubbing off. Like, and I was applying it with the applicator, then I tried applying it like with my finger. I could not make this product work. Like, can you see how it's like chunky and just not, I don't know. Let me go ahead and swatch this so you can see. I guess, right, exactly. I'm gonna layer over it. Like, it just, literally, it just lifts the product up. That one was better. But still, look. Oh, I really hope that you guys can see this because it's so bad. Now, just for comparison, I was thinking it was going to be like akin to the Stila Glitter and Glow. I also have these pure eye polishes. I thought it was gonna be something like that. So let me swatch those for you guys. Oops. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna swatch for you, this is one of the pure eye polishes, and this is in the shade Stargazer. It's really beautiful. And they have this really neat applicator. It's like a plastic spatula. I can go over it back and forth, and it doesn't give me any issue, right? Now, I'm gonna go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in the shade Diamond Dust. And this has definitely more of an applicator similar to the Colourpop, but again, you put it on, you can go back and forth. I can layer on more product and build it up. And it doesn't give me any issue. You see that? No issue. Okay, so let's do Colourpop. It's not like this even application, like it's not even, like it's not pretty. It's not cute. I would not recommend this product at all. Those are the products that I'm not a super big fan of. Hopefully you can understand why. I will tell you guys now which products I did get that I enjoy and I'm excited about. And that is this lip color first and foremost. It is the Kathleen Lights Lippy Sticks, and this is in the shade Lumiere. I think it's pronounced Lumiere as opposed, yeah, it's gotta be Lumiere. It is a matte. It's super comfortable. I think the color is beautiful. It wears nicely. I have tried one of their lippy sticks before, so I knew what to expect. I don't have on a lip liner or anything. I just put this on and it's beautiful. And the price is right. I think these are like $5 or something like that. So I really enjoyed this. I had heard a lot of stuff about, and I feel like not a ton of buzz, but I've definitely heard about their concealers, and I am obsessed. This is in the shade Light Neutral. If you're looking for something to dupe the Tarte Shape Tape, it is similar. I feel like it's almost like a little drier though. So if you're dry, you might have issue with that. But this was something that I personally enjoyed, and I'm glad I got it. And the color was right. But this is another thing. I'm like, I'm glad the color was right. What if the color was wrong? I couldn't return it, and then you're stuck with it. How come I haven't heard about this before? Have you guys, if you guys knew about this and I'm just like living under a rock, let me know. Don't give me too much hate, but I did not know. Finally, a product that I got that I didn't think I was gonna like, but I put it on, gave it a chance. It is the Luster Dust in the shade Sugar Trap, and it comes like this. And looking at it, I thought it was gonna be like super glittery, but it's actually like, it does have like a little bit of glitter to it, but it's more of like a glimmery glitter. It's not chunky. Like, I bring this up a lot, like the Anastasia, the Glow Kit, the why can't I think of her name? The Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. There was a lot of glitter in that. I mean, it was like chunky glitter and it was too much. This, I feel like, reminds me of the Makeup Forever Starlit powders. And this is a really pretty shade. I have it through here. I popped it in my inner corners as well as down my nose. And then, oh, forgive my bra strap, but I do have it right through here, focus on me, right there and here. This is a really, really pretty product. That's all I have for this video. I really don't want to come across as like just trying to create this shock value or whatever. I've been really trying hard to make sure that I am as transparent and honest in my videos with products that I'm reviewing. I know that there are some YouTubers that prefer not to mention, like they omit products that they don't like. And I've felt that I have done that somewhat, and I don't want to do that. So when I got this package and I had these very strong feelings, I wanted to make sure I came on here to share them with you, especially if you guys have been thinking about purchasing from Colourpop. I don't want to shade anybody, but you guys are my #1 priority, and I know that right now I have a lot of new subscribers. I want to make sure that you feel like you can trust me and trust what I'm coming on here and saying to you. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you go. If you guys have amazing experiences with Colourpop, or maybe you've experienced something similar, let me know what your thoughts are about Colourpop in the comments down below. I'm definitely curious. And if you guys did make it to the end of this video, my girlfriend Crystal K Beauty, I saw her do this and I thought it was really neat. Leave me a big shining star emoji, and that lets me know that you are here to the end. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye. Why is my bra out the entire time?